2016 GMC Sierra HD Denali. American Force 24 by 11 inch rims with a 0 offset and 35 inch tires by Fury. You can see they poke out just a little bit, not too bad. Truck has a 3-inch lift in the front, 2-inch lift in the back. There was some rubbing. We had to cut a little bit of that, slice that off a little bit, zip tied this to the front, zip tied this to the back, cut that off a little bit, beat that back with a hammer. So far it's clearing pretty good. Don't have any issues in the back. I was unable to find any videos or anything of these wheels on these trucks before I bought it. I didn't really want something that stuck so far out the sides, but American Force had told me they were going to do a positive offset wheel, and then I guess they changed their minds after they told me they were releasing it, so I just went ahead and got these 24s. Wheels and tires, $5,000. Wheels are burnout, I believe. There's the notch in the front over here. Do the same thing with the zip ties in the front and the back. It's got the automatic steps. Absolutely love this truck. It's been tuned and deleted, but it does still have a muffler. I'll give you guys a starter for that. 54,000 miles.